Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Husqvarna push mower. It's a LC121P. Has a Briggs 725 EXI engine on it. 7.25 gross horse. 163 cc. Anyways, as you can see, their handle broke and they tried duct taping it. So we have to put a new handle on there. And no gas cap. It's been raining a lot lately, so I'm sure there's water and stuff in there to clean out. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's just go ahead and take off this broken piece here. Duct tape's strong and everything, but there's no way duct tape's gonna hold the handle back on. Anyways, I got me a good used one. Same exact thing. Like we gotta take a nut off. It's either 1/2 inch or 9/16. 1/2 inch. There's the rest of the broken piece. There you go. Bolt for this side over here now. Alright, I got a bolt on that side. That's done. Now we gotta clean the water out of the tank because we've been getting a lot of rain lately. And I know it's sitting outside for the couple days it's been here. I know it got rained in at least once here. And I don't know how long it got rained on wherever it was before that. Find the cap for it too. This is the wrong gas cap. I just got it sitting on there. I had to order one. But when I get all the water cleaned out, I'm going to get this on there so water don't get back in there till I get the new cap. I need a new air filter. I'm going to pop the tank off and I'm going to take the bowl off the carburetor too because the water got a tank. More likely water in there too. Just a quick blow it out and everything. There's four screws in here. 2 are 9/32 and 2 are 5/16. Take that air filter base off. A lot of crap in here. I gotta take this recoil off. Alright, now we can take the gas tank off. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's like a bunch of water in the bottom. So I'm gonna blow that out really good. And I'm gonna blow that off really good before we take the base off that. And we'll clean the bowl out of that, clean the tank. Should be about done. They really don't want nothing else done to it. We said it runs, so. Okay, there's 2 bottom bolts on here. 9/32. Just want to make sure there's no water in there. Let me just gently pry this apart. And you can see in the bottom of the gas, see that big old pool of water in there? So it's a good thing we did that. All rainwater. And here's the main jet right here. Just make sure that's clear. So this indent on the bottom of the bowl, that goes over the jet. Okay. When we got the tank all blowed out, too bad I didn't have a gas cap. There's two different size gas tanks for them 725s, and I have all the caps for the smaller tank, but none for the big one. So on this intake tube, this little O-ring pops in there, and this keeper makes sure it clicks into place. Yeah, make sure that's hooked up. There's that. And for now, I'm just gonna tape that on there so water don't get on there until I get the new cap. That's not gonna be till next week. I just got done ordering it. So let's put this base on. These are the two 9/32 screws and the two 5/16. I'm not gonna use that. Put a new one in there. Okay, let's put this top on. That's what holds the gas tank on too. There we go. See, here's the other version of the tank. Right here. Not quite as big. And these tanks have these caps. For some reason, has a bigger one. I hope this video helps you out. If you need to replace the handle or clean out the tank, whatever. It's too bad I didn't have a gas cap for it, but I ordered one. And it's going to be here next week. But anyways, appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, guys, have a good afternoon.